Hello, I'm Dylan, one of the land stewards at Traditional Dream Factory, and here we're looking at the garden where we're going to hold our permaculture course at Traditional Dream Factory.
Okay, Dylan, can you please tell us what's special about the course?
So traditionally, and I guess due to resources, a lot of permaculture courses are classroom based, meaning you spend a lot of time listening and having the information delivered to you uh, in a verbal sense. Whereas what sets us apart in what we're going to practice here in the spirit of Traditional Dream Factory is that we're going to be learning by doing, and yes, going through a lot of the practicals of land care, of land stewardship, and really everything from running a permaculture garden to planting a food forest and all of the community aspects in between that.
So, this is the food forest that was planted a few years ago, and what are you guys going to be doing here?
In here, we're going to be looking at the various stratifications of how to design a food forest, which is already in existence. And then in the practicals, we're going to be putting some food in the rows near the trees, and then in the alleys in between to study more of an alley cropping that you can even scale up to really, really big farms.